Good morning, students. Last period, we learned about local dynasties like Yadava and Rashtrakuta. The Yadava's period is considered to be the golden period of Marathi language. Now, we are going to learn invasions or attack from the northwest side. Local dynasties ruled in Maharashtra as well as India. That time, Arab power had emerged in a Middle East. Arab rulers turned towards India to expand their empire. The first thing, that time some Indian rulers were there, they ruled in India and the Arab power ruled in Arab. But now the Arab rulers turned towards India to expand their empire. The Arab general Muhammad bin Qasim attacked Sindh province in the 8th century. The name is very important. The Arab general Muhammad bin Qasim attacked Sindh province into the 8th century. The two questions: who attacked on a Sindh province or in which time? Yes, Muhammad bin Qasim or the Arab general Muhammad bin Qasim attacked the Sindh province into the 8th century. King Dahir conquered the Sindh province. Who conquered the Sindh province? King Dahir conquered the Sindh province. Due to this, Arab came into the political contact with India for a first time. Who conquered? The King Dahir conquered the Sindh province. Due to this, Arab came into the contact with India first time politically. In that period, the Turks, Afghans, and Mughals from the Central Asia came to India and established their own power in India. Who came from the Central Asia? The Turks, Afghans, and Mughals came from the Central Asia to India. Why they came in India? They came in India to establish their own power in India. In 11th century, Turks began to invade India. They reached to the northwest side of India. Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni invaded India many times. Yes, who invaded? Sultan Mahmud. Yes, from which side he was, or what is the name of his empire? Ghazni. What is the name of his empire? Ghazni. He invaded India many times. He attacked on a rich temples of India like Mathura, Vrindavan, Kannauj, and Somnath. He stole lot of gold from this attack. Yes, he stole a lot of gold from this attack from the temple. He carried away a lot of wealth from this attack with him, and he destroyed the temples. It was a great loss of India. But that time many rulers like Arab, Mughals surprised due to this attack. They understood that if we attack on India, we will get a lot of wealth. So the foreign powers started the campaigns against India. They started to give the importance to India for attack. Yes, who started to attack on India? Foreign powers like Mughals, Arab started attack on India to establish their own empire in India. How they established their empire in India? We will learn in a next period. Thank you.